Hey everybody, Mike Chavez here once again. I'd like to welcome you all back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Today, actually tomorrow, I'm going to be making my awesome barbecue smoked chicken on the pit barrel. So what I'm going to do tonight is I got my Oak Ridge barbecue brine. So we're going to take 2 chickens, we're going to half them, we're going to put them in the brine overnight. And then tomorrow we're going to drain the brine, dry them, and we're going to rub them down with Cosmos Q Hot Dirty Bird. I haven't decided what barbecue sauce I'm going to use to finish them off with yet, so we'll see when we get there. So y'all stand by and let's check it out. All right, y'all, so let's get this brine made up. So we got the Oak Ridge Game Changer brine. So for 2 chickens, I'll probably make a double batch here. So I usually use 3 tablespoons for 16 ounces of water. So we'll go with 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 extra. All right, got them in the blender. We're gonna put 2 16-ounce bottles of water in there. So you want to do this cold. You want to put the cold brine over the chicken. So that's been refrigerated. So let's get this fired up. All right, y'all, this brine's been sitting here about 30 minutes. We'll give it another little twirl here. Make sure it's all nice and dissolved. All right, y'all, so we got 2 about 5-pound chickens on fryers. So we're gonna cut them in half. And first thing we do, get rid of this backbone. So get you some nice shears. Cut down each side of the backbone. All right, get rid of that. Open it up. Take you a good sharp knife. Split the breast. There you go. Nice chicken half. Put it to the side. All right, y'all, once you get your chicken halves cleaned up, get you a big old Ziploc bag. Set your chickens in it. Of course, one big enough to hold them all. All right, now clean this up. Get your brine. Put this in something that can hold them. All right, so take and pour your brine over it. Get it all in there. Get the air out. All right. Kind of move them around a bit. A little massage. All right. So you want to let them sit here like this in the refrigerator for a while, and then we'll flip them over. Make sure they're all covered. So that's it for tonight. So we'll put these in the fridge, and I'll bring you all back tomorrow to finish these up, get them on the smoker. All right, y'all, we got these pretty dry. Put them on a rack. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take a put some duck fat on these, spray some duck fat. Just to hold the rub. And they say the duck fat helps crisp the skin. I don't know how crisp the skin's gonna be, but I ain't too worried about that. We'll take our Cosmos Dirty Bird Hot and we'll coat them up. I'm not going to put this on real heavy because that brine, this stuff has salt in it, and that brine had salt in it, so we don't really need to go real heavy with this, but I want them to have some good color. Another spray of duck fat. All right, so now we'll get the top side or the skin side. Let's get under the breast. Tell you what, get on that meat a little bit under the breast. Make sure you get them wings inside and out. All right, got messed up. All right, y'all. That's it for the prep. So let's go get. All right, y'all. Got a full charcoal basket down inside. Took about 23 charcoals out. Put them in my short charcoal chimney. So we'll dump them down on top of there. So what I ended up doing is hanging the chickens in the pit barrel with some applewood smoke for about an hour and a half, and we took them off and put them on the pit boss to finish them up. All right, y'all, so we got the chickens off. Do a little temp check here. See what we got. Man, these are about done. See what this one shows. Sometimes you got to let this thermopin come back down. Go back in. Yeah. We'll start these off skin side down. Bring it over here where you can see. All right. So we'll start these skin side up. Then we'll leave them here for a few minutes. We'll come sauce them up. Then we'll get them off of here. GoPro stopper. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and flip these over. Get them all facing the same direction. All right. Let that go for a little while. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got here. So, what I'm gonna do is kind of move these over a bit. I got 3 barbecue sauces I'm going to use here. I got my armadillo pepper whiskey barbecue sauce. I'm going to put on 1 chicken. All right. You know me, I love barbecue sauce. All right. Then I got this new, this Cosmos OPX1. I'll put on another chicken. Of course, got a different brush. Then on this chicken, I'm going to do the pineapple heat rib glaze from Cosmo's Q. Figured if it's good on ribs, it's got to be good on chicken, huh? All right, get a little more on there. Ooh. All right. Move these over a bit. And then for Mama, she wants Sweet Baby Ray's. So we'll go ahead and do Sweet Baby Ray's on this one. There we go. Close this down. We'll come back, flip them, sauce them. All right, y'all, let's get these flipped over. All right, looking good. All right. Bring you back shortly. All right, y'all, these chickens are ready. We're gonna get these off of here. Oop. All right. So, got the armadillopepper.com bourbon sauce, the OBX Cosmos, the Cosmos pineapple heat, and Sweet Baby Ray's. All right, I'm gonna shut this cooker down. All right, y'all, now that we got these in the house, we'll go ahead and touch them up with a little more sauce. This is the armadillo. A little more on there. All right, looks good. This is the OPX1 here. Looks pretty good. Don't need much more. Yeah, that's good. Man. All right. There's the pineapple heat. Put a little more on there. What's this one? And the Sweet Baby Ray's. It's looking good. All right, y'all. We're gonna let these sit, let them cool for a little bit, cut them up. All right, y'all. Here's the chicken with the armadillo. The armadillopepper.com whiskey barbecue sauce. So let's go ahead and get this leg section off of there. We'll cut that off. Put that back over here for a minute. Get this wing. Oh man, juice is just coming out of this stuff. Get this wing off of here. Look at that. We'll set that over there. I'll go ahead and See if we can carve this breast up. If we can get it off of this rib cage. Here we go. Set the rib cage over there. And we'll slice it up. Man, that is moist. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of these sliced up for a sample. Bring you right back. All right, y'all, here we go. Got chicken, 3 different sauces. Got the armadillopepper.com whiskey barbecue. Ready? Taste. Mmm. Oh yeah. Really good. Got the OPX1 Cosmos. That would be this one. There you go. First time I tried this sauce. Taste. Mm-hmm. Not bad. Got the pineapple heat. That was a taste. Mmm. Pineapple heat's good on chicken. And of course, the Sweet Baby Ray's. The old standby. There you go. Taste. Mmm. Pretty good. Anyway, y'all. There you go. So we brined it. We put the rub on, put it out on the pit barrel, finished it on the pit boss. That was right good. I love the barbecue Yardbird. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. If this is your first time here, consider hitting that subscribe button over there. I appreciate it. And welcome back everybody that's been here before. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And we'll see you all next time. All right, bye y'all.